Hi there, I'm Camilo Escobar, JURÍDIA's founder, a law academy in artificial intelligence for lawyers and legal teams of lawyers. We teach the legal foundations of artificial intelligence, of AI. Properly, we teach the foundations of law in relation to artificial intelligence, the foundations of law in relation to the elements, to the facts, to the particularities of AI. And today I'm going to explain the relationship between technological convergence, artificial intelligence, and the law. And we must understand, we must understand, because we must comply with the law, that artificial intelligence, AI, is a product, is an object created by the result of the union of its elements, of its analog and electronic, including digital elements. So for artificial intelligence to exist, there must exist a hardware, a software, and a telecommunication, for instance. And depending on the way in which the respective AI exists, there must exist, for example, a digital content and specific information, a specific kind of information, a specific way of processing that information, to process that information. So in general, AI is a product that is the final result of the union of its elements, is the object created by the result of the union of its elements, tailored to the way in which AI exists in each situation, and properly in each legal relationship, that is, in each environment related to what is defined in the law. So when there is AI, there is technological convergence, because there is a reunion of different technologies, different technological elements. So regarding the law, what must exist is a legally valid artificial intelligence. And that's why each human being existing in relation to the way in which each AI exists must comply with the law, must apply with what is defined in the law, tailored to the way in which what is defined in the law applies to each human being, with respect to each human being, tailored to the way of the facts of the respective legal relationship in which each human being existing in relation to AI exists. So we must detect and attend the dynamics and properly the way of existence of each legal relationship that involves an AI product, and we must know and apply the way in which what is defined in the law, in which the legal must be, the way in which the whole of what is defined in the law applies to each of us, to the extent of the way of the facts of the respective relationship that is existing in relation to each of us, in relation to the way of existence of an AI product. And this is the way to make a legally valid artificial intelligence. So the law is enough, the law understood as a whole, is enough to attend to the elements, to the particularities, to the facts related to AI. But we must know the law as a whole to detect, to decipher, and attend to the way in which the law applies, in which what is defined in the law applies, to the extent of each legal relationship, to make a legally valid artificial intelligence. So we must know how the law applies, tailored to each legal relationship that involves AI, to the extent of the way of the existence of each AI that is existing in a legal relationship, in the respective legal relationship that is involved. Thanks so much for your attention, and I invite you to www.juridia.co to know what we do. Bye-bye. Take care.